In this video, I'll show you how to create a relative frequency table. It will look like this on the left. I come to G5 and I start typing in the headings for my columns. We'll have the number of customers who are waiting in line at Starbucks. I'll put the frequency of that number, and I'll call that f of x. And then next to that, I will put the relative frequency of that number of customers in line and call that p of x. You can see the p of x here and f of x there. I'll come downstairs under customers in cell G6 and type in a column the list of customer numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, Excel is really smart, and it knows that I want to create a table by the way that I've set up my rows and columns. All I need to do next is click anywhere in here and come upstairs to Insert, select Table, and it already knows that this is the domain of my table. On this pop-up, it says $G, $5, $I, $10. And I indicate that my table has headers. I select OK, and it automatically inserts the table using that same color scheme, but I'll change that to an orange, just so we can see the difference. In H6, I will start typing the frequency for each number of customers in line. 2, 6, 1, 5, 3. Before I can compute the relative frequency, I need to sum up the total number of customers. I can do that easily by going to the Table Design tab upstairs and selecting Total Row. That total will compute an aggregation of the numbers in the column above it. In the case of f of x, which is the frequency of x, I'll click on that cell, click that downward character, and hit Sum, and the total pops up. We have a 0 here because I haven't got any content in those cells. We'll do that now. Click on cell I6 here and type in the formula. This is set equal to the value in H6 divided by the total sum in H11. I hit enter, and isn't it beautiful? The table automatically populates those numbers. And it's giving me a sum here, though, that I don't like. Why is that? Let's look at it. If I click that down arrow, I see it's giving me count, and I don't really want count. What I'd rather have is sum, and it should equal 100. The last thing I want to do is format these to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to highlight them all, click on the Home button, come over to Number, and I'm going to click on the Decrease Decimal button. And that makes it round it down to 2 decimal points. A little bit of housekeeping. I don't like it when the headings are left aligned and the numbers are right aligned. I think that makes it hard to connect the numbers to the column heading. So I will, in each case, click and hold and drag across my headers, and I will come upstairs again, and I'll come downstairs here to Alignment, and I'll click Right or Align Right. The final thing is I don't like these downward carrots. Those are the filter buttons. We don't need it in this table. In many tables they're very helpful, but we don't need them for this case. So I'll go back up to Table Design and unclick the filter button. And there you have it.